Welcome to this online seminar. I will discuss about Department of Geography pre-PhD coursework 2024 seminar on Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. My name is Kishore Kale, roll number 17, PRN number 2015380059. My research guide name Dr. A. Chaudhary, Department of Geography, Moreshwar College, Bhokardan. I am presenting today's my research topic. My research topic name is crop diversification and agriculture diversification issue and challenges. Crop diversification. Diversifying the cropping system is already being practiced by agriculture producers to overcome crop production challenges such as a high land value, increased input cost, varying weather factors, increased demand for new products, etc. These challenges are already posing obstacle to generate more revenue per acre from traditional crops such as alfalfa. Northern Nevada Business Weekly Report 2008. The sustainability concern have raised interest in crop diversification among agriculture producers, especially thought the word definition. Crop diversification means growing more than one crop in an area. Diversification can be accomplished by adding a new crop species or different variety, or by changing the cropping system currently in use. Commonly, it can mean adding more crops into an existing rotation. Diversification can also be implemented to replace low value commodities with high value commodities such as vegetable and fruits. It can also include an integration of crops and livestock defined as a mixed farming. Benefits of crop diversification: increase income on small farms holdings, helps withstand function in commodity price, provide resilience to highly variable weather condition resulting from climate change, increase profit by reducing the cost of production, provide more varied and helpful food both for human and livestock, decrease pest pressure including the disease insects and weeds, enhance beneficial pollinator population, Im- improve soil quality, increase employment opportunities. Diverse rotation may increase crop yield and produce quality. Let us discuss on challenge to implementation crop diversification on the farm are: market demand may be limited by a range of factors such as the government policies, subsidies, etc., lack of the infrastructure for storage and transportation, absence of suitable equipment, price and supply of inputs, lack of technical knowledge and reference regarding their production practices, lack of crop varieties adapted to the specific region, fear of the increased complexity, public regulation. Agriculture diversification. Agriculture diversification refers to either a change in cropping pattern or the farmers option for the other non-farming option like poultry farming, animal husbandry, etc. This practice allow farms to expand the production, which helps generate a higher level of the income. Changing a cropping pattern implies the diversification between food and non-food crops. Conventional crops and horticulture, high value and low value crops, etc. After the emergence of the Golden Revolution, 1991 to 2003, diversification has started to flourish rapidly across the country. Types of diversification. There are mainly two types of agriculture diversification prominent in India. One, horizontal diversification. This relates to multiple cropping or mix of crops instead of the cultivating a single crop. Horizontal diversification is especially useful for the small farmers who hold a small piece of land. This allows them to earn more by escalating cropping intensity. Number two, vertical diversification. It refers to incorporation of the industrialization along with the multiple cropping. In this kind of the diversification, farmers take a further step and invest in activities like horticulture, agroforestry, livestock rearing, culture of the aromatic plants, etc. Major feature of diversification. Number one, introduction of the multiple or mixed cropping system. Number two, shift from the sole agriculture activities to other allied enterprise like a fishery, forest products, poultry and other non-agriculture sector. Diversification in agriculture activities proves to be extremely beneficial for small farmers to increase their income. Reason for agriculture diversification. The demand for high value crops increasing in India, and this paves the way for farmers to experiment with the several cropping combination. Apart from that, some other reason make diversification an excellent choice for small and marginal farmers of India. This includes number one, climate change diversification, reasonable the control the damage that can occur from the unfavorable weather condition. This process safeguard the farmers from the loss of crops in such a situation. Number two, facilitate the several employment alternatives. Almost half of the employment of India's revolves around the agriculture sector. Diversification creates a new job opportunities for rural people other than traditional farming. Number three, increase of income. Opting for diversification will undoubtedly increase the income and will let the farmers live a comfortable life. Number four, exportation diversification, especially of non-farming products, makes a sizable export provisions for the unique characteristics. India is now on the front line in exporting several agriculture products to multiple countries. This contribution to the overall growth of the economy. Conclusion. Diverse cropping system tender decrease the probability of the widespread crop failure and pest pressure and improve soil quality and crop yield. to support healthy, sustainable, and profitable crop production in Nevada. Producers should start looking for opportunities to add a new crop species into their existing rotation. This additional will assist them in overcoming challenges presented by climate change, especially drought and issue of the water usage in Nevada as the demand for water increase. Additionally, changes in the policies that encourage crop diversity may be needed to support effort to ensure community food security. Thank you.